Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make post shareable on Facebook. So if your post is not getting the share button, then what you need to do is you need to do only one simple thing. Okay, suppose open your Facebook account. Now once you are here and you are trying to post something, okay, then at the top you can see there are three options: public, album and off. Okay, so you need to click on this one, public. Now if it is selected to friends or friends accept, all right, or click on see more specific friends, then you won't be able to see the share option, or your friends won't be able to see the share option. It always needs to be public. Okay, so if it is selected to public and then you will post something, then there will always be a share button on your post and your friends can share it. Okay, so this is the first thing uh, for the new post. Okay, so if you already posted something and there is no share button, then what you can do is go to your profile. Now open up the post that you want to have the share button. Okay, so this is one of the posts that I have shared, and now you can see there is a globe option. That means it is already public. Okay, it may not be a globe option in your case. Okay, it will look something like this one. Okay, a wrench icon. In this post you can see a wrench icon instead of globe. So what you can do is simply click on these three dots in front of it, then click on edit post. Okay, now at the top you can see the public option. You can tap on this one. Now you'll get these options. Okay, now if it is selected to friends, friends accept, or specific friends, then change it to public, and it will make your post shareable on Facebook. So this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.